So you see, oh, oh, yeah, this is Samuel Ogo, so I'm bringing you luxury backdrop for a steal. Amazing, right? And behind me you see beautiful hand painted backdrops, canvas painted backdrop, beautiful in your images and elevate your pictures from this boring to this level. And you know the top guys in the country, this is what they do. Now you might be wondering, how will you spend $500,000? Some of you, most of you watching me right now can't even put 500K on the backdrop. Let's not lie, me.
That's a little bit out of my pay grade.
Yeah, something happened and I met a couple of photographers and they saw these drops and the joy that they felt like getting it for the price and the value I gave them kind of just spurred me to want to continue helping others, making sure that young photographers, even old guys that don't want to really spend all their savings into investing in backdrop. So take Mbos Studios and backdrop as your midpoint. So all you creative, all you photographers that have been dreaming hand painted canvas backdrop, Mbos is back for you guys. Let's elevate your portrait show, being wedding, being photo studio portrait. Let's elevate it for you. So guys, this is gonna be very limited offer. You know, if I were you, I'm gonna make sure I steal it. Yeah, I steal it because the price is a steal. You're not spending 400K, you're not spending 500K, 200K, 150K, 100K. Tell me if you're not stealing this quality, beautiful and premium made backdrop. So don't snooze on it. Ensure you are in our DM and make sure that you follow us for more notification and see more drops. You can also pre-order. Yeah, you can want your unique backdrop made the way you want to your preference, and we would also do that for you. We are out. Peace.